Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reboot a frozen system like this system. In this case, it is an Samsung Galaxy S6, and as you can see, no movement. The system is full freezed. Okay, to force reboot your device, press and hold the volume down and power lock keys at the same time for 5 seconds. This performs the simulated battery disconnect and your device will reboot. Good job, as you can see. If you like to make an hard reset, press and hold the volume up, the power and the home button for 10 seconds. After this, you are going to make a hard reset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.